Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we're looking at some Sunvisor units for the MGA Coupe. So the Sunvisors were only ever fitted to the MGA Coupes, they weren't in the Roadsters at all. They were made in the same material as the headliner material, so it's like a white or off-white PVC headliner material. Some of the cars I believe had black as well. We can obviously offer those colours, these are in white. We can also offer a wool cloth version if people wanted to spruce up the headliner and make it look a bit more fancy and plush, so just bear that in mind. Now the Sunvisor units, these are a new product to our range. They originally were a millboard material trimmed like this in the headliner material. They have the bar section that kind of goes around this area here. They have a bit of an indentation, which you can see just about on the video there with the shadow section, so around here. Now, a customer over in America sent us these along with his seats for us to trim up. We've replicated as best we can, in line with talking to our customer about what he kind of wanted. Now, originally, the Sunvisors actually got a binding edge going around here, akin to what kind of went on carpets. However, we were having some issues doing that on our machine. So for complete transparency, which is what we like to do as a business, we haven't done those bind edge. Instead, we've just sewn them together, which creates a very neat finish, actually arguably nicer than the binding edge on them. But yeah, because of the issue with the machine, we couldn't get it to bind around there neatly. So we spoke to the customer and went over a few options, and he said that stitching around would be more than sufficient. So that's what we've done. They also had some sort of little metal finishes on the corners here. Customer has got those at his end, so hence not being on this video. Now the metalwork, customer did send his metalwork. Obviously we've replaced the millboard materials and duplicated those, including, like I say, the kind of raised middle section there, but we've reused the metalwork. We're looking to get the metalwork remade so that we can offer these as brand new units as per this video here, but at the moment we don't actually have the metalwork elements of it. So if you wanted us to do Sunvisors for you for your MGA Coupe, then we would need you to send us your original metalwork, but the rest of it we can handle in-house if you're happy with the way we have made these. But yeah, so I thought I'd show you those. Turned out rather nicely. I'm excited to see them in the car. Obviously they'll match the customer's headliner. Looking forward to seeing photos of the customer's kit when it's all said and done. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to look in the description below for other useful information and links to our website and other useful videos. And of course, remember to like and subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts out there. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.